This is the tour of my room. Uh, this is room number 503 at the Fairmont Makati. As soon as you enter the room, uh, you have the wardrobe on your left hand side. You have a nice passageway coming into the bedroom. On your right, you have the bathroom, and yeah, trying to figure out where the lights are. So yeah, I guess interesting. I'm sure there are some lights. So let me just hit the switch, I guess. Maybe not. Okay, let me just figure this out. There it is. So you have the tub on the left hand side. You have the basin, the wash basin in front. You have a separate shower area on the right, and of course you have the toilet, which is also segregated, and you have the toiletries. You have the dental kit, the cotton rounds, soap, Le Labo New York toiletries in the bathroom. So they're basically in the bottle, and you just have to wash to replenish the bottles once you're done with it. And nice coffee maker, nice touch to make some nice coffee. A mini bar at the bottom, well stocked mini bar. A lot of cups and salt and pepper and jams, etc. Yeah, I think that's salt and sugar and glasses. I don't see any bottles of water, so I wonder where the bottles of water is. I missed it. There it is. So, a nice spacious room with two double beds. This is, of course, a double bed non-smoking bedroom. A nice 50-inch Samsung television with a set-top box at the bottom. No DVD player or Blu-ray player, as I kind of got out of fashion, but the set-top box has a USB port. I don't know if it works. Nice writing desk area. A small little couch in the corner with a table to have your coffee, things like that. And then you have the view of the city. I think each and every room has a view, I guess. And this is kind of the view of the city. I think if you're going straight, if I'm looking straight where you see the bridge, I think that heads towards the highway. And I think there's a mall in front. I don't know which mall that is, but I think there's a mall in front. And this is the if you go back, if you go from here to the Ayala Center Road, you come to hotels like the Shangri-La Makati and the Peninsula Makati. Also, you come to the Ayala Center, and Dusit Thani is also there. And so you have many good hotels around this area. Some nice hotels, and this is the entire view of the room. First hand, nice room, spacious. I think it's more spacious than the Peninsula, I guess. It looks more spacious. Or maybe not. I think maybe the Peninsula beats it in spaciousness, but I think it could be the same.